y'all, it's me Amani, and today I'm going to show y'all how to get your wig cute, silk pressed, quick and easy using one of my favorite wig tools, KwikFingers. So KwikFingers is like a revolutionary hairstyling comb. Let me just show y'all. You might be like, I ain't never seen a comb shaped like this. Me either. What you do is slip it over your finger like so, and then style your hair accordingly. We're gonna use my fake straighteners right here. Look at that. It's like having a comb built into your finger. You might be like, girl, let us see like a little bit of better how you really used it. All right, I will. First, let me show y'all everything that you're gonna need to get your hair. Moving like this. You're gonna need some type of heat protector or straightening serum. This is the kind I like to use, Fantasia. They have it in spray as well. A really good flat iron. I like to use the Nano Titanium by Baby Bliss Pro. This one was like 2 some or like 1 some. And last but not least, we're gonna need the KwikFingers. Y'all see this finger styling comb. This thing just makes it so easy and convenient. Look at that. And guess what? You need to part your hair real quick. Boom, ba-dum. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I use this and how I get it to make my wigs go from this to this. Look at that. Look at now. The way you want to use this comb is you want to face corner towards you and slip it onto your middle finger. I like to use the finer side for straightening hair. Simple as that. You see how I'm holding it? Put it into the hair. And then follow it with the flat iron. Follow it up with the flat iron. And it's so convenient because it's right on your hand. Let me show y'all the difference. This is how I would be with a different comb. I would have to hold the comb, right? In this uncomfortable position. And then follow it. Now it works, but imagine if the comb was just on your finger. Just grab it, literally, it's like you're just doing it with your fingers. It's sifting the hair, and it's gonna give it that pull that it needs to give it be extra straight. Body, it ain't stiff. Let's part a piece. Like I said, this thing got a little built-in retractable comb, so we're gonna push the comb out and part off some of this hair real quick. Oh, that was way too much. I'm gonna go over the honcho. So when I'm done, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks, because this tool literally changes how fast I can straighten my hair. Normally it takes me like 2 hours. I've been doing this for 45 minutes now. All right, y'all, so now we are going to get these flyaways and get the top of it real crisp. Let me get y'all a closer up look of this comb. These bristles are really tight, so like it's just gonna be really defined, and then these ones are looser. Look at that. Alright. Literally, it's like I'm doing this with my hand. Oh. Bag that I was not recording right then. So the wig done went from straight and silky to straight and silky with George Washington curls in the front. So y'all know how this works, how you doing your edges. I have a video on how you do these curly swirly edges, so since I accidentally messed it up, just click up there and you'll see it. I'm dead. It's literally giving like on the way to sign the Declaration of Independence, like. I'm gonna be like, huh? Did you call me? Styling, so I'm telling y'all, I ain't trying to disrespect you, but get you a quick comb. KwikFingers. This little thing, you would probably be surprised how such a powerful tool can come out of a little ass box. Get you one, because I know you want it. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. And I will see y'all next time. Shout out to KwikFingers, because once again, I really love this comb, y'all. You can get it off Amazon. I will have the link for it down below. Let them know that Amani sent you, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Goodbye.